After 2 years of changes at ICBC trying to lift the provincial insurer out of its billion-dollar hole, the government's making seismic changes. Drastic times calling for drastic measures and a move to a no-fault type system in May 2021.
Despite the success of our reforms to date to douse the dumpster fire, the burned-out bin is sitting in front of a building that hasn't been renovated in 50 years.
EB says they're renovating ICBC, bringing in a new approach, one where doctors dictate the care needed and coverage is paid directly to providers instead of going to lawyers in court to duke out a lump sum amount. But even with these changes bringing in lower rates, increased coverage, including wage replacement for students and the self-employed, he knows there will be skeptics.
These benefits and these rates seem too good to be true to many people, I'm sure. And it's only because we see it in actually being delivered into other provinces that we believe we can do it.
And though EB says it will be hard getting British Columbians to trust a corporation that has fought against their claims, he knows it can be done.
Yeah, lower rates would be good. I think it's pretty expensive here in BC.
You're a victim of the system, right? You've got no choice, you've got no options. It is what it is. So do I like it? No, not at all.
You know, I always enjoy it going down. The no-fault insurance, I'd have to read up a little bit more about what that is and what the repercussions would be, but it's good to see the government listening to the people.
Winning over trial lawyers whose business is injury claims, a harder battle.
They are spending millions and millions on their own lawyers. You know why they're spending? So that they can cut down on paying the injured people. That's what they are doing. They should be very careful. They should pay the injured people so that they can get back on their feet again instead of paying their defense counsel.
Not relying on the courts to settle crash claims doesn't mean there will be no lawyers, nor that drivers who cause collisions are getting a free ride.
You can't run into someone without consequences. Your rates will go up. If you are found criminally responsible or criminally negligent, you can be sued. So we're not taking the opportunity for claimants to sue. We're saying that in most instances, let's provide the care first.
Without massive changes like this, the province says rates would continue going up 35% a year. The end goal of ending the litigation-based approach is to keep drivers' rates down, have ICBC running in the black, and build up its capital reserves. For City News from the BC Legislature in Victoria, I'm News 1130's Liza Yuzda.